Hi, I'm from the Property Management Guide, and here's a quick training video explaining what retail zoning and the ITZA rate is. This is often used to measure ground floor retail shop areas, and therefore this video will help you understand how these are calculated in order to make sure the right areas and rents are being agreed. In short, this zoning and ITZA effect is a way of adjusting usual measured areas of a retail property to reflect the fact that an area near the shopfront is more valuable than towards the back. After all, shoppers will focus on what they first see through the shopfront and as they first enter the premises. You therefore assume zones of space 20 feet deep going back from the shopfront and label them from A up to E of however many zones you decide. And to reflect the diminishing effect in rental value the further back in the shop you go, you then halve the areas of each zone in turn. So, Zone B space is divided by 2, but then Zone C is divided by 4 to reflect yet another halving effect, and Zone D divided by 8. To arrive at the final ITZA rate for the whole place, you simply add up all these zoned areas, which will end up being a lower figure than the actual original areas because you have included this halving effect in each zone. You then apply a standard Zone A rent per square feet or meter to this ITZA area in order to arrive at the final rental level for the shop. This lower rent will then reflect the fact that the rest of the shop is less valuable than the first Zone A area right at the front of the shop. Also, there are two other things to bear in mind as well. Firstly, that upper floors and the very rear of the shop with storerooms can just have a usual rental rate without this zoning effect. However, popular stores may still include this if these areas do still have a lot of shoppers affecting them. And secondly, once you arrive at a final rent, you can then apply special adjustments at the end, just in order to reflect the reality of the actual shop in question. So, adjustments. Things like frontage to depth or return frontage can help note the unusual shape of the shop or the way that it has a shop front along the side as well as the front of the property. This is where it's important to receive specialist help to value this correctly after you first understand this zoning and ITZA principle, in order to make sure you agree just the right rental level. You can download a free fact sheet summarizing what this rental zoning and ITZA effect is by clicking on the link below this video. And you can also immediately download our free property management pack, which includes a 15-point cheat sheet to help make sure you agree the best possible let or sale for any retail or other property. Now, just before you go, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do post any questions you have below the video and we'll answer them for you. We also recommend that you subscribe to our channel to receive the latest updates and training videos just directly below the video. Plus, also please, if you've enjoyed this video, then if you can give it a thumbs up below the video on the right hand side, we'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to leave any comments you'd like as well. Thank you so much for watching.